everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a game which I made in Scratch. Okay, so this game is for this our pet. This is my pet, this bird, and this is the food. If he's hungry, I can feed him. So this pet has fun. This is a variable. So this variable is keeping how much fun is my pet getting. So for example, he's right now 2% fun. And this is another variable. It is hunger. So this will help me to know how much hungry is my pet. So he's right now hungry. So let's feed him. Now let me show you the coding. So this is the coding. So first I will show you this. This is a when sprite clicked block. Then I played this start pong pong bong sound, and I did this all. This parrot has only 2 actions. So 8.8 seconds 2 times. So this is the fun. When I click on him, it makes less noise and he gets 2% more of fun. So that's how he gets more and more fun. And look, the hunger is very high. So the hunger turns high every 6 seconds. So when I feed, it becomes less, because the coding says when I receive food, glide 1 second to orange, start sound chop, change hunger by -1. -1 means that if I click on this, it becomes low. So I put it this wait block, wait 0.6 seconds and go to x -53 y8. So x tells you how far your sprite is from the side screen to this side screen, and y tells us how high is our sprite. So it shows us how high it's from this side screen and this side screen. If you don't know what is a sprite, it's kind of a sticker in this computer. So this is another code which I made for this fun to get increased. And I did this code again, a different code. I did this code next. So this tells all of things when I will restart, what will happen, and this is the things. So when I click this, when it gets up here, this will hide and wait 1 second and get showed and come back. So that was it for today. I hope you like it. I hope you like this video, and make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Bye.